How to track steps on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can track your steps on Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So to track your steps on Android, first you'll need to download an app called Google Fit app from your Google Play Store. So locate the Google Play Store and open it up. Then head over to the search bar and simply search for Google Fit app. After you search for that, you should find Google Fit. This is the one right here. Tap on the install button. So it can take some time depending on your internet speed. So wait till it gets downloaded. And there we can see it's almost downloaded, it's installing. And after it installs, you can then open it up. After you open it up, you can then continue with your Google account. Tap on continue. Then after you do that, you will need to set it up. So let's set up this app. You can set up your weight. Then you can set up your height, then tap on next. After you're doing that, you'll need to tap on this turn on button at the bottom right to enable your tracking. So simply tap on allow when it gives you this pop-up that says allow Fit to access your physical activity. And after you do that, you are basically good to go. Now you can set up your daily counts and daily steps, daily goals. So you can do that. And tap on set goals. And that's basically it. Now this will start tracking your steps. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye-bye. Take care.